A short walk from the Church of Annunciation is the Church of St. Joseph.
A fond tradition asserts that the Church of St. Joseph is built over the carpentry workshop of St. Joseph. Despite its name, there is no evidence that the cave over which the church is built was Joseph's workshop. Even if this is the site of the Holy Family's home, the cave is unlikely to have been a carpentry workshop in the modern sense.
Scholars believe that Joseph's work likely would have taken him away from home, possibly to the Roman city of Sepphoris, which was being rebuilt by Herod Antipas around the time the Holy Family arrived from Egypt. The building site was about a 50-minute walk from Nazareth.
The modern Church of St. Joseph was built in 1914 on the remains of a Crusader church and over a cave system, which was first mentioned by a 17th century Italian writer who described it as the house and workshop of Joseph.
A stairway in the church descends to a crypt where caverns can be seen through a grill in the floor. 7 more steps lead to a 2-meter square pit with a black and white mosaic floor, believed to have been a pre-Constantinian Christian baptistry, possibly used as early as the 1st century.
A short walk away from this church, you'll find Mary's Well, which is another site believed to be where the angel Gabriel appeared to Mary.